Got $10,000 or even less? You might need a financial advisor more than you think. The right financial advice can save you thousands. No matter your net worth, getting expert help is smart. Stay tuned to see if you're ready to hire a pro today. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Hey there, it's Alfonso, and let's face it, managing your money can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded sometimes. You're bombarded with information from every direction. Invest in this, save for that. Don't forget about retirement. It's enough to make your head spin. So you start wondering, do I need a financial advisor? Can I afford one? Is it even worth it? Trust me, you're not alone in these thoughts. Millions of people grapple with these same questions every single day. In this video, we're going to break down one question that's probably crossed your mind. How much money do I actually need before hiring a financial advisor? We'll explore the ins and outs of this crucial decision. We'll cover the benefits of seeking professional financial guidance, the different types of advisors available, and most importantly, how to determine if and when it's the right move for you. By the end, you'll have the clarity and confidence to make informed decisions about your financial future. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the hesitation. Many people avoid seeking financial advice for various reasons. Some believe they don't have enough money to warrant professional help. Others feel intimidated by the perceived complexity of the financial world or are simply unsure where to even begin. This hesitation is understandable, but it's often rooted in misconceptions. The truth is, you don't need to be wealthy to benefit from sound financial advice. In fact, seeking guidance early on can be instrumental in building a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, financial advisors aren't just for the ultra-rich. They're for anyone looking to make smarter decisions with their money, regardless of their current net worth. Taking that first step towards seeking financial advice can be daunting, but it's an investment in your financial well-being. It's about gaining clarity, understanding your options, and making informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning for your children's education, or securing a comfortable retirement, a financial advisor can provide the guidance and support you need to navigate the complexities of personal finance. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve deeper into the specifics of when it makes sense to hire a financial advisor, the costs involved, and how to choose the right advisor for your unique circumstances. Before we dive into specific numbers, let's talk about the inherent value a financial advisor brings to the table. Imagine having a personal trainer for your money. That's essentially what a good financial advisor is. They provide an objective perspective on your finances, helping you see the bigger picture that you might miss when you're caught up in the day-to-day. Think about it. When you're immersed in something, it's easy to lose sight of the forest for the trees. A financial advisor can help you identify blind spots, challenge your assumptions, and offer fresh insights that can significantly impact your financial well-being. They bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, having worked with countless individuals in similar situations. Think of them as financial doctors. You wouldn't hesitate to see a doctor if you had a health concern, right? Similarly, seeking professional financial guidance can be just as crucial, especially when facing important financial decisions. One of the most significant benefits of working with a financial advisor is the development of a personalized financial plan. This isn't some generic one-size-fits-all template. It's a tailored roadmap designed specifically for you, taking into account your unique circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. This plan serves as your financial compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. Your financial plan will typically include strategies for budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, retirement planning, and more. It's a comprehensive blueprint that evolves with you as your life changes and your financial goals adjust. Having a well-defined plan not only provides a clear direction but also instills a sense of control and confidence in your financial decision-making. It empowers you to make informed choices aligned with your overall objectives. Financial advisors are wired for the long haul. They're not looking for quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. Their focus is on building sustainable wealth over time through strategic planning and disciplined investing. They understand the power of compounding returns and the importance of staying the course even when markets get bumpy. This long-term perspective is essential for achieving significant financial growth. Moreover, financial advisors act as your accountability partners, helping you stay focused on your goals and avoid making impulsive financial decisions that could derail your progress. They're there to provide support, encouragement, and expert guidance every step of the way. In essence, a financial advisor brings a unique combination of expertise, objectivity, and personalized attention to the table. They're not just managing your money, they're partnering with you to achieve your financial aspirations. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the magic number. You know, that specific dollar amount you need to have before even thinking about a financial advisor. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Some people might assume you need to be rolling in dough, flashing wads of cash to even get an advisor's attention. That's just not true. While some advisors do have minimum account requirements, they're not as outrageous as you might think. And even more importantly, there are plenty of options for those just starting out. Remember, good financial advice isn't a luxury reserved for the wealthy. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about their financial future. Section 2. Breaking down the thresholds. Now let's talk about those minimums. You'll find that different advisors and firms have varying requirements. Some might start as low as $10,000, while others might require $100,000 or more. These minimums often reflect the level of service and complexity the advisor offers. Higher minimums might grant you access to more specialized services like estate planning or tax optimization strategies. Don't let these numbers intimidate you. It's about finding the right fit for your current financial situation and goals. If you're just starting out, there are advisors who cater to younger investors with smaller portfolios. The key is to shop around, do your research, and find an advisor who aligns with your needs and budget. Remember, it's a partnership. You want someone who understands your financial journey. Section 3. When it's worth it, even with less. Here's a little secret. Sometimes it makes sense to seek financial advice even if you don't meet those minimums. Life throws curveballs. You might receive an inheritance, experience a major life change like marriage or having children, or simply feel overwhelmed by a sudden influx of cash. In these situations, a financial advisor can provide invaluable guidance and support. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions, develop a sound strategy for managing your newfound wealth, and ensure you're making choices that align with your long-term goals. Think of it like this: when you're facing a challenging home repair, you call a plumber or an electrician. You don't try to tackle it alone if you don't have the expertise. Financial advice can be just as crucial during those pivotal moments in your financial life. Section 4. Value over minimums. At the end of the day, it's not just about the money you have in the bank, it's about the value you're seeking. Are you looking for comprehensive financial planning, investment management, or simply someone to answer your burning money questions? Defining your needs and expectations up front will help you determine if hiring a financial advisor is the right move for you, regardless of your current net worth. Remember, financial advice is an investment in your financial well-being. It's about gaining clarity, making informed decisions, and ultimately, achieving your financial goals with confidence. Don't let those minimums deter you from seeking the guidance you need to build a secure and prosperous future. In the next section, we'll explore the different types of financial advisors available and how to choose the right one for you. Alright, so you've decided to explore the world of financial advisors. Great. But now you're faced with another question. What kind of advisor is right for me? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. Think of it like choosing the right tool for a job. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, right? Similarly, different financial advisors specialize in different areas and offer varying services. The key is to understand your needs and find an advisor whose expertise aligns with your goals. Let's break down the three main types of financial advisors: fee-only, commission-based, and robo-advisors. Fee-only advisors, as the name suggests, are compensated solely through the fees you pay them directly. Think of it like hiring a consultant. You're paying for their time, expertise, and unbiased advice. This fee structure promotes transparency and eliminates potential conflicts of interest that can arise with commission-based models. Fee-only advisors typically charge either an hourly rate, a flat fee for specific services, or a percentage of the assets they manage for you. The advantage of a fee-only advisor is their fiduciary duty to act in your best interest. They're legally obligated to put your financial well-being ahead of their own. This fiduciary responsibility provides an extra layer of protection and ensures their recommendations are aligned with your goals. Commission-based advisors, on the other hand, earn their income through commissions on the financial products they sell. For example, if they recommend a particular mutual fund or insurance policy, they'll receive a commission from the company that issued that product. While commission-based advisors can provide valuable advice, it's essential to be aware of potential conflicts of interest. Their compensation structure might incentivize them to recommend products that generate higher commissions, even if those products aren't necessarily the best fit for your needs. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations with commission-based advisors about their fee structure and how it might influence their recommendations. Always ask for clear explanations of any fees associated with the products they suggest. Now, let's talk about the new kids on the block robo-advisors. These are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to build and manage your portfolio. They're typically much cheaper than traditional human advisors, making them an attractive option for younger investors or those with smaller portfolios. Robo-advisors typically work by asking you a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Based on your answers, they'll create a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds designed to help you reach your objectives. Robo-advisors offer a hands-off approach to investing, making them suitable for those who prefer a more passive role in managing their finances. However, they lack the personalized touch and nuanced advice that a human advisor can provide. They might not be the best fit for complex financial situations or those seeking more hands-on guidance. Life's full of twists and turns, right? One day you're cruising along, managing your finances just fine, and the next, bam, you're hit with a major life event. Maybe you're getting married and merging finances, or you're starting a family and need to plan for college savings. Perhaps you're nearing retirement and need to ensure your nest egg will last. These are the moments when a financial advisor can be worth their weight in gold. They've seen it all, guided countless individuals through similar situations, and can provide the expert advice and support you need to navigate these transitions smoothly. Imagine this. You receive a significant inheritance. It could be a windfall from a distant relative, a life insurance payout, or even a lottery win. Exciting, right? But also a little daunting. Suddenly, you're faced with decisions you've never had to make before. How do you invest this money wisely? What are the tax implications? Should you pay off debt, buy a house, or invest in your future? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and expert guidance. A financial advisor can help you develop a sound strategy for managing your newfound wealth, ensuring it aligns with your long-term goals and provides financial security for years to come. Let's face it, not all financial situations are created equal. Some are more complex than others. Perhaps you're self-employed and need help navigating the intricacies of retirement planning. Maybe you're dealing with a divorce and need to divide assets fairly. Or perhaps you've made some financial missteps in the past and need help getting back on track. These are the situations where a financial advisor's expertise can be invaluable. They can help you untangle complex financial knots, develop a personalized plan to address your unique challenges, and provide the support and accountability you need to achieve your financial goals. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the benefits of hiring a financial advisor to the different types available, and when it might be the right time to seek their expertise. The key takeaway? It's your financial journey. You're in the driver's seat. A financial advisor can be an incredibly valuable co-pilot, providing guidance, support, and expertise along the way. But ultimately, the decision to hire one is a personal one. Don't let anyone pressure you into a decision that doesn't feel right for you. Take the time to assess your financial situation, define your goals, and do your research. Find an advisor who aligns with your values, understands your needs, and has a proven track record of success. Remember, it's a partnership. You want someone you trust and feel comfortable working with. Whether you're just starting out or well on your way to financial independence, remember that knowledge is power. The more you understand about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that lead to a secure and prosperous future. Thanks for watching, and here's to making smart choices with your money. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. If your bank balance feels like a roller coaster, it's time for a financial advisor. If earning, saving, or investing feels overwhelming or costly to get wrong, it's time for a financial advisor. You don't need to be rich. Clarity is worth the cost. Get the guidance you deserve now. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.